Hey everybody, Rick here, and just want to show you my collection of cubes again, my whole collection this time. My wife must really love me. She let me bring them inside the house, so now I am able to use my office as my cube display room. So I'm just going to go around showing you the puzzles. I'm not going to say much because they're just way too much and we'll be here for an hour if I keep going. So I'm just going to go kind of slow. So here we go. Just regular cubes, 3x3s, different kinds. Some one-handed 3x3s and some other name band 3x3s that are not Rubik's. So up here, some spheres, some Orbics in the back, different ones. Let's go up. Pyramids, more stuff. It's a deep bookcase, so some in the back might not show that great. Some Jornet puzzles, older puzzles, not Rubik's, but anyway. Up. Rubik's keychains there on the side. Not keychain, necklaces, sorry. See, that's why I should keep quiet. Some more cheeses in the back. Running out of room, so I had to start hanging them on the sides there. And we keep going. So there's some other stuff that's really unopened in the back there. Got a Saturn. That's awesome. Now we come over here. Oh, I go up there. I forgot the top. Yeah. Mad triads, smash balls, some box items. Go down. Faces and stuff. And going down. Lights a little better over here. Good. Not so bad. Yeah, I've been collecting for about 3.5 years now, so that is why I have a lot. And since I have a professional job, I'm able to buy a lot. Plus I sell a lot on eBay. That's where most of my stuff comes from anyway. And I got a third bookcase now. Not much on this one yet, but a few things. And last but not least, those 4 things there. Well, that is it. I hope you saw things that you thought were cool, interesting. Have any questions, just go ahead and ask, message me. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot, and y'all have a great day. Goodbye.